block the traffic like that, man. Alright? That niggas, they eating pizza, y'all blocking, ain't gonna let people go by, man. People trying to get through. Y'all having a pizza there. You're just sitting having fucking pizza, and you're blocking people from getting to where they gotta go. Alright, this is the 25th precinct. They think they're police, they think they'll do what the hell they want to do. Alright, let the people go through, man. Let them go, let them come out, let them go through, man. There you go, put that pizza away. Oh, Bobby. You fucking kidding me? All that shit because he wants to eat. Now he's gonna go back and he's gonna tell the people that they gotta back their cars up, right, and back it up all the way over there, inconvenience everybody because they want to fucking eat pizza, and block the traffic right there. That's some really idiotic shit. All right, this is what's going on. They were in there eating a pizza. All right, the cars back here were beeping at the officers because this is a one-way street, and they have every right to go down this street. So the officer got mad, put his pizza back on the fucking top of his shit, which you can see it right there. Right? That's his pizza. He put his pizza right there. And now he's harassing the shit out of the people over here. Alright, now he's harassing this lady here and this brother over here because they were beeping at them. Of course, I'll beep the horn too if they blocking fucking traffic. You know? It's ridiculous, man. You know, and this is the power trip that the NYPD be on. You know, like I said, these guys, now they want to leave. You're damn right, you know what I mean? You don't just park there and start eating your pizza and stop everybody from freaking going through. See? This is what they should have done in the beginning. They should have parked their ass over here somewhere.